Join me as I dive into the challenge of renewing my website in just 24 hours and uncover all the benefits along the way. In today's digital landscape, having a website is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It's the face of your brand, a hub for customer engagement, and a crucial channel for generating revenue. However, with the rapid pace of technological advancements, design trends, and user expectations, it's easy for your website to become outdated. That's where website renewal comes in, a process that's often overlooked, but incredibly important for businesses and individuals alike. A website renewal is not just a cosmetic makeover, it's a thorough revamp of your online presence. It involves reassessing your goals, target audience, and brand identity to ensure your website accurately reflects your vision. By doing so, you can improve user experience, boost engagement, and ultimately drive more conversions. In this video, we'll dive into the importance of website renewal, the common issues faced by outdated websites, and the benefits of giving your website a fresh new look. Having a website is like having a storefront. It needs regular maintenance to attract and retain customers. Imagine walking into a physical store with broken shelves, outdated products, and a generally unkempt atmosphere. You wouldn't expect customers to stay, let alone return. The same applies to your website. A website renewal is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process that requires regular updates, just like your physical store. As we explore the world of website renewal, you'll realize that it's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a seamless user experience that drives real results. So, let's get started on this journey, and by the end of it, you'll understand why website renewal is crucial for your online success. We've all been there, visiting a website that's slow, cluttered, and just plain frustrating. You try to navigate through the pages, but it's like navigating a maze. You can't find what you're looking for, and before you know it, you're hitting the back button and searching for a better alternative. That's exactly what's happening to your visitors when they encounter an outdated website. Outdated websites are like a ticking time bomb, waiting to unleash a plethora of issues that can harm your brand reputation and bottom line. One of the most significant concerns is security vulnerabilities. When you don't update your website regularly, you're leaving it open to attacks from hackers and cybercriminals. This can lead to data breaches, identity theft, and financial losses, a nightmare for any business or individual. A slow website is another common issue. We live in an era of instant gratification, where users expect fast loading times and seamless navigation. If your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, you can say goodbye to a significant portion of your traffic. According to Google, 53% of mobile users abandon sites that take longer than 3 seconds to load. Poor user experience is not the only issue with outdated websites. They're also prone to declining search engine rankings. Search engines like Google prioritize websites that are regularly updated, fast, and secure. If your website doesn't meet these criteria, it'll struggle to rank higher in search engine results pages, making it invisible to potential customers. An outdated website can also lead to a loss of credibility and trust. When users visit a website that looks old-fashioned, they're likely to question the legitimacy and professionalism of the business or individual behind it. This can lead to a decline in conversions, sales, and ultimately, revenue. In addition to security vulnerabilities, slow loading times, poor user experience, and declining search engine rankings, outdated websites can also lead to a loss of competitiveness. If your competitors have modern, sleek websites, and you're still stuck with an outdated one, you're already behind in the game. There's no denying that an outdated website can have far-reaching consequences. From loss of credibility to declining revenue, it's essential to address these issues head-on. However, sometimes, it's not just about fixing the problems, it's about creating a better overall experience for your users. One of the most significant benefits of renewing your website is improving the design. A modern, sleek design can elevate your brand's image, making it more attractive and engaging to users. With the latest design trends and technologies, you can create a website that's visually stunning, easy to navigate, and optimized for conversions. Another significant advantage of website renewal is enhanced functionality. Outdated websites often lack the latest features and integrations, making it difficult for users to interact with your brand. By renewing your website, you can incorporate the latest tools and technologies, streamlining the user experience and driving more conversions. Better SEO practices are another critical benefit of website renewal. When you update your website regularly, you're signaling to search engines that your website is active, relevant, and deserves higher rankings. This can lead to increased organic traffic, higher conversions, and ultimately, more revenue. For instance, let's take the example of a fashion e-commerce website that was struggling to attract users. The website was cluttered, slow, and lacked a clear call to action. By renewing the website, the business was able to improve the design, enhance functionality, and optimize the website for search engines. As a result, they saw a 30% increase in organic traffic and a 25% boost in conversions. Another example is a software company that was experiencing a high bounce rate due to its outdated website. By renewing the website, they were able to simplify the navigation, improve the user experience, and highlight the key features of their software. As a result, they saw a 50% reduction in bounce rate and a 20% increase in leads generated. The benefits of website renewal are not limited to design, functionality, and SEO. It can also lead to improved user engagement, increased brand loyalty, and enhanced customer satisfaction. When users have a positive experience on your website, they're more likely to return, share your content, and advocate for your brand. One of the most compelling insights about website renewal is its long-term advantages. When you invest in renewing your website, you're not just fixing immediate issues, you're creating a solid foundation for future growth and success. A renewed website is like a well-oiled machine, generating more leads, sales, and revenue over time. According to a study by Stanford University, 75% of users admit to making judgments about a company's credibility based on their website's design. This highlights the importance of website renewal in establishing trust and credibility with your target audience. Experts agree that website renewal is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process that requires regular updates and maintenance. By doing so, you can stay ahead of the competition, adapt to changing user behaviors, and drive more revenue. Having a renewed website is like having a superpower. It gives you the confidence to compete with larger businesses, attract more customers, and grow your brand. So, don't wait until it's too late. Invest in renewing your website today and reap the benefits for years to come. In conclusion, website renewal is not just a necessity, it's a game changer. It's the key to unlocking a better user experience, improving design and functionality, and driving more revenue. Don't let your outdated website hold you back. Invest in renewing it today and stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for joining me on this journey of exploring the importance of website renewal. If you've had a similar experience with renewing your website, share your story in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on website design, development, and marketing.